Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can use the Google Translate camera. First off, head over to your Chrome and then simply get to a page like this. In here, you will see the Google search bar. Here you will also see microphone icon and the camera icon. So simply tap on the camera icon. And likewise here, all you have to do is tap on open camera. And as you open the camera, you may go ahead and scan the text. But there is also another way that you can translate the Chinese or any text that you would prefer into English. So first of all you have to do is allow access. If you have that text in your gallery section, simply scan it. So I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to have to allow access. If we have already allowed access, you will see all the images and simply take one of the images you would like to translate. So in my case, I would like to translate this text right here. So all you have to do is tap onto it. It says you can now circle to search what's on your screen. So let's go ahead and try it. Now, if this is the text you would like to translate, tap on select text. And as you do so, tap on translate one last time and the language will be automatically detected. And you can see it is also now printing hello, which was previously on Chinese. So likewise, you can see that all the other text has been translated as well. This is how easy it is, guys. Thank you for watching.